A lot of time when clients walk into the nail salon, they're tired. They had a long day. Sometimes they just want to relax. I see it in their face. Their hair is a little bit messy. The skin on their forehead is a little shiny from all the sweats that they worked today. I know they're down, but the moment the nails begin, we apply the tips on and they get this little hiccup where they get excited. Ooh, look at these are nice. And the moment the acrylic goes on, the excitement gets more. Oh my God, look at this. Oh, I can't wait. All the way until the end of the set, their excitement is so strong. They gained this power where they totally forgot how tired they were. What a moody day they had. That's what we call nail power. It gives them this lift where they are ready to go out and battle the world. And the funny part is they battle the world all the way until they need a feel again. And that time they get kind of moody again. And they go back and get a feel, and that moodiness just goes away once the nails are back to normal. I'm telling you, this is called the cycle of the nail power. And they walk out with T-Rex hand, yo, making sure the nails are on fleek.